All right, guys. Hello there. We're doing the monthly update for May 2019. It's already the 13th of June. I apologize for the delay on doing this update, but I was waiting on a couple things with RB Global down here. I need to get a more accurate update as to their withdrawals and so forth. But anyways, needless to say, I'm going to go ahead and talk about my main primary passive businesses. Nothing's changed as far as it's the same for businesses. I'm going to start off here with Hypergrowth. The reason I'm putting them number one is because there's a little bit of a deadline with their primary accounts. Okay, they have new traders in their primary accounts, and actually this is great news. They're doing much better. In fact, I think they did like 23% last month. They've been profitable pretty much every week this month. Things are going really good with them. This is your last chance to get in with Hypergrowth with the no performance fee being waived for life. So if you get in by June 30th, I believe it's $300 for each account. There's two accounts. So if you want to get into both accounts, that would be $600 total. Minimum, or you can just do one if that's all you can afford. But bottom line is get in now, because June 30th they're going to start charging a 30% performance fee, where if you get in now they're going to literally waive it on those accounts for life. So that means that you keep 100% of the trading profits. Okay. I mentioned last month's returns. Yeah, and I mean it's going great. There's hardly any drawdowns. Basically, going into each weekend, they try to be flat, which means out of all trades, so that you can do withdrawals pretty much. So far, it's been every weekend this month. It's been fully liquid. So that's going awesome. Okay, in fact, I can't wait to start putting some more money into Hypergrowth, because that is definitely a long-term, nice little retirement fund there for a couple of years down the road. Okay, the next one here, FX Generation. Again, this is, being ran by yours truly, by me, my brother and I. Okay, things are going great. We actually had a little bit of a delay because we got a new broker, and it just was not compatible with our software. I don't even want to say it wasn't compatible. It's just it was being there were such delays in the execution of the trades, where we weren't getting in the trades in time, and it just wasn't profitable. So we got in and out of that broker very fast. Literally after 1 week, we canceled them, and we literally went over like 100 different brokers, researching over 100 brokers, narrowed it down to a select few. Finally got one that it's a very large broker. You've probably heard of them, and we opened up what's called a MAM account with them. Everything's the same. You have full control of your money. It stays in your name. The only thing we do is trade it. Okay, and we're trading it with our software. One other thing that we added to it, in fact, I'm going to go ahead and put that in here before I forget, is we're also doing some manual trading. Or should I say my brother is. And basically, so that means you're going to have more trading in your account. We're also trying to stay fully liquid at the end of each week. No trades going into the weekend or anything like that. The manual trading's touch and go. There's going to be times where we don't do any manual trading if the software is doing really well. And there are going to be times where the software maybe isn't doing so well, where we'll be doing the manual trading to get profits. Okay, so we're off to a good start with that. In fact, this week, this is our, I think, a week and a half now, going on a week and a half with actually our first full week with the software. I'm sorry, we just started this week with the software, and the EA software is up. At the time of doing this video, I think we're up around 7.5 to 8% this week with the EA software. And we have a couple more trades early tomorrow morning to finish up the week. So everything's great with the EA, with this broker. They do offer a 15% bonus. When you deposit, you have to deposit with Bitcoin. And when you do that, they're going to give you a 15% bonus. So you're actually going to come out the gate in the profit 15%. You have to have so much trading being done before that 15% goes into your wallet. But with our style of trading, that should not take long, anywhere from maybe 4 to 6 weeks or something like that. The longest 8 weeks, and that 15% will be yours. So it's a nice little head start you get with the trading, giving you a nice little boost on your profits, right, like I said, right out the gate, hit the ground running. And again, yeah, like I said before, it's 100% hands-free. The only thing you do is fund your account. You attach it to our master account, and you can stop the trading at any time. But yeah, so you really can't go wrong with that. So we are only going to accept so many people and funds with that. So don't hold off too long. The minimum's $500 with FX Generation. Okay, we have a private Facebook group. We always do updates. We're fully transparent. We even show you live a lot of our trades that we do with the software, so you can see exactly how it does its thing and why it's so profitable, of course. And okay, so that's it with that. Now moving down to RB Global RecycleBot. Not a whole lot to report here. They do have a new JV partnership, joint venture project, that they just introduced yesterday or the day before. Looks pretty promising. It's in third world countries, and I think in Sierra Leone, I want to say, and doing a lot of humanitarian stuff, and it's looking to be very, very profitable for the membership in the future. They are doing withdrawals. They've been processing withdrawals. They're still behind. I'm still waiting on my withdrawal, so don't make a move and put anything in there until you come to me first. I do believe we'll get paid. It's just it's just taking forever. Bottom line. So, but it does look like we're going to get everyone's going to get their withdrawals moving forward here. So hopefully I'll have a better update next month as far as being paid with RB Global. The next one here is Hashing Ad Space. It's still going strong and steady. The price of a SIMI, which is their token, which is what you're minting when you watch the 7-second ads, the price is still down, so it's nowhere like it was in the very beginning when we were spoiled. I think, and of course it fluctuates, but I think it's right around like 0.3% per day is what it's amounting to. But again, that's 7 days a week, not 5 days, but 7 days a week. So it's still not bad, getting a couple percent a week on your money. Okay, with the SIMI stakes, that's when you're staking it, which it's $100 per stake, and then for each one you watch one 7-second ad per day. So it's still going pretty good. Hopefully in the future the price starts going up, so it actually makes it even more worthwhile. But the good thing is it is going strong, steady, strong business, and looks like it's going to be around for quite some time. So that's it. I didn't want to make this update too long. The primary things being Hypergrowth, getting in the deadline by June 30th if you're not in yet. It's again, this one's 100% hands-free as well. There's professional actual traders doing live trading on your account. Okay, and then of course FX Generation, we're back stronger than ever doing our thing, so timing could not be better if you wanted to get rolling with FX Gen. Okay, that's it for this update. We will see you on the next one. Take care.